Oh, got the f-16 out for its second flight. At field, lots of cloud. Light breeze again today. Ribbon's barely moving. Got the tactical drone view on the back this time. I'll try that out and turn it on. Just hold the back button for 5 seconds. And that light starts flashing and it's recording. Alright, we're gonna put the camera in the hat. Hat on the head. Brought that, wrong adapter. Everything's good. I got gains on the roller. I actually set it up with the AS3X and all that stuff. So right now I can have a safe if I want. But I don't need it, so we're not going to use it. We're just going to go by gains. Wow, look at it, it's flying so much better than yesterday. The gyro does such a difference. Wow, I'm impressed. It's flying good. I did all the programming with this battery, so probably not going to be a long flight. Downwind pass. Yeah, she's going around. I'd say she's probably doing just 100 miles an hour. I do have the GPS, but I don't have my tablet with me. Wow, gains are right at half and it's perfect. It's just locked in. It's I forget what receiver it is. Oh, hang on, I want to try something. That's safe. That's flying unsafe right now. That's full up, that's full down, that's full left. Yeah, I'm not liking the safe thing. There we go. I'm thinking that's a flight, because I don't know how much is on this battery. Oh, popped the canopy when we landed. A little too high alpha that way. I don't know if that was high alpha or just a super high flare. But she plopped down pretty good. Hope we didn't hurt it. Canopy popped. But I broke the canopy the other day. I stepped on the thing and broke the back half of it off, so it doesn't latch quite right. So we'll see. Oh, I broke one of both the bottom pins off, and the nose cone came off. Oh, we broke the nose. Oh no, we broke that guy off, we broke that guy off, and the nose cone. Dang it. Well, that's kind of a bummer. New nose cone going to be on order now. Alright, ciao for now.